Hi everybody, today I am going to share you a tutorial on how to add watermark in Microsoft Word document. In this tutorial I am using Word 2010. Here go to the page layout ribbon, then under page background section you can see watermark. So click on this small triangle shape arrow and this will pop up the watermark menu, sub menu, and here you can apply this presets. If you click on confidential, this will apply confidential text to your document. Now let's apply other. You can also apply do not copy here watermark with gray diagonal text, here diagonal text. Then with horizontal text you can apply this inbuilt watermark, but you can also apply custom watermark. Here click on this custom watermark dialog box. This will appear printed watermark dialog box. Here there is no watermarks. You can change the text here confidential to something like do not copy this document. Then you can also change the font whatever you like. Let's change it to Bardana. Then size, you can change the size also. Let's put it to auto. Then you can also change the color. So let's put the default one, then semi-transparent, and layout can be either diagonal or horizontal. Let's put the diagonal, then click on apply to see the here. I think in this video it is not clearly seeing. Then close. Here is the watermark. Just let me zoom the document. As you can see here, the watermark is. So let's zoom back to normal, and you can also remove the watermark here by clicking here, then remove watermark. Now again let's use the custom watermark. Instead of using the word, we can also put picture as a watermark. So in order to do that, click on this picture watermark radio button, then click on this select picture ellipse button, then browse to the location where your picture is. So let me, so here suppose we want to use this picture as a watermark picture. Click on insert button, then watch scale auto. You can also change the scale. So let's use to 200%, and let's uncheck this wash out and click on apply. So this one you can see the preview. So this is how this picture is watermarked using scale of 20% and without wash out. And you can also use the wash out facility to wash it. This will change the almost negligible amount of watermark. So let's uncheck this watermark, then click apply this way, then click close. As you can see, this picture is watermark. document is watermark using this picture. Thank you for watching.